just to correct the notion of other people na akala nila when you do live or dance here or sing here or whatever you do here makes you money. Iba yan, ha? This is totally different from, hello, watching from Maryland raw si Ellen. So this is totally different from those people who are getting monetized. Hindi tayo ganon. Kasi hindi tayo kasali sa kanilang way of, iba yung kanilang way of compensation. Okay, tayo, we are a business owner. We are people who does promoting. We don't sell. So we're not getting compensated by the way other people are getting compensated by having ads in the, kasi alam nyo, ganito yan, no? Just for an info, kapag ang tao ay maraming follower dyan sa isang klaseng business, and then, pumasok ang advertisement nila sa isang business. So they get paid by the business kasi nadadala ang kanilang mga viewers doon sa pinopromote na business. Example, kung ako yung business at gusto kong makakuha ng someone na, malakas mag-TikTok, babayaran ko siya para lang ipasok niya ang aking mga ginagawa sa social media. Marami na siyang followers. So they get monetized by that. So hindi ganun ang business natin kasi hindi tayo binibigyan ng pera to do so. And in fact, dito sa ating digital online business, when you do business, hindi ka man nagbebenta but we're using the online, the power of the internet or the power of automation, ginagamit natin yan as a part of our digital framework.